Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Okay, our product title is a hybrid bio-inspired algorithm for scheduling and resource management in cloud environment. Okay, so this is our abstract for the bio-inspired scheduling algorithm based data processing. So here we propose a novel hybrid bio-inspired algorithm for task scheduling and resource management since it plays an important roles in the cloud computing environment. So here we are discussing about the cloud task scheduling process, which is a major problem is the NP hard. NP problem is the one of the major optimization problem. So it has the many meta heuristic algorithms have been proposed to solve the heuristics. So this section discussing a good task scheduler should adapt its scheduling strategies. So here the scheduler is selecting some scheduling strategies based to be changing environments and the types of tasks. So here we will allocating a task to the some virtual machines to the data brokers or scheduler. So here in this process we are called the data brokers. So the data brokers and creating virtual machines is an efficient manner using modified particle swarm optimization algorithm and then allocation. So finally the most popular bio-inspired technique using to be explores the operating systems theory analyzing. Okay, so this is the flow diagram for the bio-inspired scheduling algorithm process. So first one is the start. So after we will initialize the pheromones. The pheromones is nothing but just in this process we are discussing the anti-colony optimization based using some particle swarm optimization algorithms. So after particle swarm optimization algorithm based we will developing process. So the first of all here we will choosing the virtual machine task. That means the first one is after the profile registration we will choosing the process called the data creation. That means they're creating brokers, creating the data brokers and the virtual machines, the data centers, and how many counts will analyzing. So after an and complete data, it's a no means to starting the initialize the data. That means initialize the and process. Yes means updating local pheromones. So again creating data. So analyze the load balancing. So after creation the data is going to be load to the server. So now the scheduler or broker is analyzing the levels of data. It is called the load balancing process. So here after analyzing the load balancing and the data is going to be host. That means the host and web hosting and anti data is to be allocated on the cloud server. Finally we will analyzing the time based calculations. So the calculations are finding after we will analyzing the data performance. Okay, now the demo section is start. We start our demo section for the bio-inspired scheduling algorithm. It is called the resource allocation process. So first of all this is the home page for the greenhouse cloud. So here the green cloud environment based will storing our data. For example, this is the new user this is new user information, this is the existing user information. So this is the green cloud based username. So this is the green cloud password. So click to the login. So this is a thank you for login. So it's a valid user, go ahead. So here the green cloud computing base we will creating the servers file creation. So enter the number of data centers is to be 6. So the 6 data centers are created, creating brokers 5. So the 5 brokers are created successful. So this is the data center name, number of machines, host ID and the numbers. So click to the move. So next we will create the virtual machines. Again I click to the 5. So here we will creating the 5 virtual machines are created successful. Virtual machines able to record the brokers as in cloudlet information. Again 5. So here the data owner is sent to the data as the broker is called the scheduler. The scheduler is sending to the data as cloudlet. Finally the cloudlet is sending to the data as cloud server. So finally the cloud is receiving the given data from the cloudlet. Successful. So submitted successful. So go. So this is the some data load balancing information way bending cloud service. So this is the some data security analysis based networking process based, and we will analyzing the load balancing process. This is the sample process. Click to next. So this is the data load balancing. So here what are those data to be allocated on the service to be checking the levels of data load balancing calculation. So this is the virtual machine's ID, the bandwidth, RAM, PS, number of persons is to be created. So proceed. So this is a premium web hosting data. So this is a virtual machine and hosting based data load balancing. So this is a cloud security. So the cloud security based the data load balancing. So this is the data load process. So this is the virtual machine ID and the load. So this is the host ID and the load. So click the next process. So this is the hosting. So this is the data hosting. It's a host ID and the virtual machines. So and pull. So here what are the hands and allocating virtual machines. So this is the count allocation strategies. Oh. So this is the cloudlet. This is the execution times. So this is the virtual machines. All virtual machines are assigned to zeros. Click to the proceed. So this is the calculation. This is the performance graph. So here we will analyzing two performance graphs are available here. So this the one is the bioinfo based optimization performance. So this is the two line graphs are finding the performance. So this is the performance graph for the given bioinfo based data processing. So now the demo is finished. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.